Hello everyone. I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers. And we'll be doing the giveaway. So I have everyone's name on the wheel who wants to be on Animal Jam, normal Animal Jam. So now we're going to spin it. This prize is for the yellow long wrist. It's spinning, it's spinning. Who won the yellow long wrist? Penguins Rule 330 won the yellow long wrist. Now for the fox hat. Who wins the fox hat? Let's see. It's StarCat 155 won the fox hat. Now for the Stegosaurus armor. Who won that? It's Snails for Life 4. So that was everyone who won, who want to be entered for Animal Jam. Now let's get on to Play Wild. Wild Wheel. This first spin is for the Crystal Pegasus gauntlets. Let's see who won. Titanic won the Crystal Pegasus gauntlet. Now let's see who won the Dragonfly wings. Who won the Dragonfly wings? Let's see. Magic Shop BTS won the Dragonfly wing. Now let's see who won the vintage top hat. Who won it? Let's see. Blissful Pandycorn, you won the vintage top hat. Congrats! And Penguins Rule her wristband. Congrats! You won the wristband. Well, let's just write wrist. And now let's send them their wrist prize. So let's look. Here it is. Congratulations! Bam! Sent! Now let's send Snails for Life their prize. Congrats! You won my giveaway. And now let's send it to them. I think I spelled something wrong. I'm not sure if I did, but so let's find the Stego armor and give it to them. So here it is. And they won. Yes, I did spell something wrong. So there you go. Now let's send StarCat their prize. Congrats. You won my giveaway. So now let's send them a fox hat. Fox hat. Okay. Send it to them. I will give them this one. So congratulations to all the winners, and I will make a video of me going on to Play Wild, giving the winners their prize. So if you are one of the winners who won Play Wild, be sure to comment on this video so that I know when I can give you your prize. Bye, foxes! Thank you so much for 500!